Stop wasting time. These 6 free Premiere Pro plugins I use daily will speed up your edit and completely transform your workflow. No trials, 100% free. The first free plugin might be the most genius tool I ever added to my workflow, Smoothify. To use it, make sure your playhead is somewhere between the 2 keyframes. Open Smoothify using the shortcut you can create. It automatically analyzes your keyframe, position, scale, rotation, and detect everything for you. You can fully customize the graph and the curve however you like. When you're done, just click apply and watch the magic. It's incredibly smooth, that's why they call it Smoothify. And by the way, you can save your setting as a preset to use it later. You'll find it inside user preset. The next one is Oden Pro by Premiere Basics. Just install it and open it from Window, Extension, and you'll instantly get access to some stunning transition. I truly love their style. You can preview everything live before apply it. To apply transition, just move your playhead to where you want it, then double click or drag it directly into your timeline. Simple as that. And it's not just transition, you also get messages, social media animation, lower third, shapes, background, and more, all for free. Number 3 is Clean Cut. This plugin truly helped me when editing podcasts or long videos. Before, I used to remove silence manually and it was so time consuming. Now, this free open source plugin automatically removes silence from your video. As soon as you open it, it detects your active sequence. In the silence manager, just choose remove silence. You actually don't need to change any settings. Click analyze, it scans your timeline quickly. Then click remove silence and it automatically cuts all the silence part. It saves you a lot of time. Link in the description. The next one is Copy Pasta. As always, just open it from Window, Extension. This plugin is all about saving time, especially if you are like me. When you're in the middle of editing and need something from Google, you normally can paste it directly into Premiere. But with this plugin, just copy the image, hit paste, and it instantly adds it to your timeline. You can even take screenshot, click paste, and it shows up right in your sequence. I'm here to save you time, so keep watching until the end because the last one will blow your mind. Portal is number 5. You might have B-rolls, SFX, pictures, and more, but still you end up digging through folders every single time, which take forever. To make my workflow easier, I rely on Portal. This plugin is insanely basic, but genius. It works like a personal library. Premiere really should have this by default. Opening it for the first time, you'll see it's completely empty. You can create Portal to your folders, just drag in the one you use most, then drag and drop asset directly in Premiere Pro, keeping everything organized and saving time and storage. The last one is Cine. It may not be a plugin, but it deserves a spot on this list. Why? It offers premium high quality overlays for all kind of edit. This site is full of free effects and overlays. Just search free and you'll find around 174 results. They have paint overlay, paper rip, fire and water effect, glow effect. Go through them and see what works best for you. And that's 6 free plugins for you. But don't go anywhere. I've got 7 more free ones to show you right here in the center of this video. Thank you for watching and I catch you in the next one. Peace!